Hello, guys.
Hello?
Hey!
Hello?
What's your name?
It's Barn Whizzle. What's your name?
Barn Whizzle? What kind of retarded name is that?
Don't ask, man. I bet your name's worse.
No, it's,
Don't even know your own name.
No!
What the heck are you doing over there, man? You're retarded. What's wrong with you? You're stupid. That's what's wrong with you. Anyway.
My name is Spot, guys.
Spot is a stupid name. I hate you, Spot. What's your name anyway? Don't talk to me.
I'd tell you, but that'd go against the sign.
That's so stupid. You're talking to me now.
You know what? Close your mouth first. First, close your mouth.
It stays open periodically, if you haven't noticed. It stays open.
Are you guys ready to break dance?
Oh snap, let's go.
Dun, 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 dun. This is my heart.
What the heck? Get that out of here. No one likes...
Only real men know how to share their feelings, buddy.
You mean only retarded men know to share their feelings? You better go cry in a corner. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I would.
Boom, boom, boom.
So good. So good. I got you.
So nice. Like sugar and spice. Ow! So nice. So nice. I got it, you. Ow!
When I hold you in my arms, I know that I could do no wrong.
I don't know the song after that. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
Cause I feel nice. Do. Woo!
It's a frog.
Hold on, guys.
Hi guys, what's up?
Ribbit.
Oh, Piglet!
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Arr! Arr!
I'm a funshine bear, guy.
Oh, sunshine!
Ah, ah.
Okay.
I think we're done, guys.
And
Peace out.
ribbit, ribbit.